How to set up Robinhood account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to set up Robinhood account. If you want to go ahead and set up an account or create Robinhood account, then first thing first, you have to go ahead and open up your Play Store. Next thing, what you want to do is on the search box type in Robinhood and install the app. Since Robinhood isn't available in my region, so I'm gonna use the web version. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up a browser and type in Robinhood.com. When you actually type in that, it's gonna take you to the official page. So go ahead and press the login button. As soon as you go to this page, it's gonna ask you to enter in your credential. So since you don't have an account, so you could just click on create an account at the bottom of the page. Now go ahead and select your country of your resident. Once you actually do it, so click the continue button. Now type in your first name, last name, and the email address associated with it. Next, you want to do is click the continue button, and also you have to go ahead and set up a password. Now press the continue button at the bottom of the page, and this will take you to the next thing. So once done, you've been taken to the home page, indicating that you've successfully set up your account. So this way you could actually go ahead and set up an account. Now what you can do is you could just go ahead and use the desktop version. So click on desktop site. Once you actually do it, so click on get an app, and it's gonna take you to the home page, which will look something like this. So now what next you want to do is go ahead and register your phone number, type in your residential address, apartment number, city, and all of that. Now do the same procedure and click the continue button, and this way you'll have successfully set up your Robinhood account. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.